Welcome to a video by Abron Expert. This is water bath where we have this is a switch for on, and this will indicate that the heater is going on. See, this red indicates that the heater is going on. This is the set temperature 50 degree. Inside temperature is 18.7 at present. The lid has concentric rings which are now very easy to 3 parts. I can show you. The below is also the same. These are all same, but here you can see others are also just kept outside only for showing. Heater should always be dipped in the water. This is a thermostat for checking the temperature, and this chamber is single piece. The wall is clear and single piece die cast, so there is no liquid. Outside is steel painted. Here we can do what we can change the temperature if we just keep it pressed. Once it is pressed, then you can increase or decrease. You can increase or decrease. I'll just show you how to increase now. I can increase it to 51. Now it is 51 and set. This is the set temperature. Now it becomes 51. It will stop at 51. Now the temperature is increasing. This is a digital PID controller with the internal. This indicates the heater is going on. This also indicates heater is going on. And this very easy to use 220 volt power heater setup is there. Please visit the website and share the videos and channel and subscribe to our channel. This is abron01@gmail.com, email and web www.abronexports.com, and WhatsApp number is 94160 20018. Thank you very much.